What's up, everybody, and welcome back. So today we're going to be unboxing my very first Kickstarter campaign that I've ever backed. It came in, I kind of forgot about it, but it is the Enigmas playing cards. So this was designed by a guy who designs crossword puzzles for the New York Times, and it's basically, I think there's 60 or 70 puzzles in it. So I thought they looked really cool, and I think I bought 4 of them if I remember correctly. So if you're interested in seeing more of this content, please like this video. You can subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. So yeah, I've since backed several other Kickstarter campaigns, but this is the first one that's ever come in. This is cool because, you know, you pay for it, gosh, 6 months ago, something like that, and then it comes in and you almost forgot about it. Wow. So I bought these primarily because they were a puzzle deck, although I thought the deck design was pretty cool. And there it is, the Enigma. So this, I guess, is the standard edition. I don't know if it's limited. I do know that this, ooh, that's really cool. I do know that this red edition is limited. I have no idea whether or not it's focusing or not, but this is actually a cutout box. I know some of the fulfillment took a little longer because they had to cut this box custom, something like that. Let's see, which one do I want to open? The limited edition red or the blue? Let's open the red. Why not? So this was exclusive to the Kickstarter campaign. Let's open the blue. I love those. I kind of want to keep those sealed. And yeah, there's something like, I'm not even sure what all the puzzles are, to be honest with you. I don't know if it's puzzles in the cards themselves or links to a website. But we'll find out. So I'm having a little trouble. Maybe I should have a knife with me. Here we go. Also thought the back design on these was really cool. So we'll get into it. Guys, this video is brought to you by Low Budget Productions, if you can't tell. Oh, I just sort of tore the flap there. So these are printed by USPCC, and, ooh, interesting. So the back design is there. So I don't love the back design actually in person as much as I did when I first saw it. Interesting. So we've got some cards there with the puzzles. Looks like, yeah. All right, guys, that's about it. I really love this red edition of the Enigmas. They're beautiful. So that's it, guys. That's my first unboxing of Kickstarter. I got a sticker. I got a pin. I'm in.